Alright, so here's this Goodman starting up. It's got a cope and scroll compressor. It's getting warm. Oh, that's already ice cold. Alright, this one is from 2019. It is a 37,000 BTUs, which is a 3-ton. It has a really nice scroll sound. And here's this American Standard, which is still running. It's got a RU fan motor. And I'm gonna try for a shutdown. I don't know yet though. Alright, so thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel.